In this video, I would like to show you some Doodly video examples. So Doodly is one of the most well-known whiteboard animation softwares, and you might be wondering, what can you actually do with this software? So what I'm going to do in the video is simply show you 4 examples of different type of videos that you can create and how they can look like. So basically for that, guys, what you can do is go to Doodly, and then if you go to features, but I'm going to do it anyway for you, you can go to easy to use. Let's open it in a brand new window. Then we'll end up right here. If I simply scroll up, we can take a look at what these guys can offer you. So we've got whiteboard videos, which will look like this, glassboard, blackboard, and then a couple more. So what I'm going to do right now is show you a few of them and pretty much explain what they'll do. So if I just click play on this one, this is the classic whiteboard animation content. So this is probably why Doodly is one of the most well-known softwares, and it's because they create engaging and also really good whiteboard animation softwares. Videos, my bad. What you'll see with this is that there's a hand pretty much drawing or writing down text. So you can write down text and you can draw, and what you can do within the software is use any character or even upload characters and change fonts and upload fonts so that it can write down characters, text, pretty much create an engaging video. Now this is great for storytelling because if you add a voiceover to it, it really becomes an amazing video. Now these are the classic whiteboard videos, but what about the other stuff? So on Doodly itself, you've got whiteboard, and then you've also got glassboard. You can see it right there. Now glassboard is a little bit different. As of right now, you might be like, hey, that's pretty much the same, right? And yes, it probably is. However, there's a main difference, and you can see that the hand is not in front of the camera, but is behind it, or like behind the screen, if that makes sense, which is why it's called glassboard. So that's just a different dimension that they've given to the videos, and that actually makes it pretty cool, especially for variations, because if you do whiteboard all the time, it might get boring, but with glassboards, you can give it a whole different vibe. You can see the hand is drawing behind it. Apart from that, we've also got the blackboard, and the blackboard is of course pretty similar to whiteboard, but the name already kind of reveals what it's about. It's the blackboard, and this is called the Doodly, this specific video, and you can see it's pretty accurate, pretty much the same as the whiteboard. They're just drawing characters, and that is pretty cool. The only difference is the background. Now this kind of gives me like that school vibe, you know, like the actual boards in school. This one really looks like that, at least for me. Now that's pretty much the 3 main differences and the 3 options that you get with Doodly. So these are pretty much the different options. It's whiteboard, glassboard, and blackboard. If you scroll down, you've got a few more video samples, but this is more like stuff that they've just created and to showcase what they can do for you. Now let me just play this in 2.5 speed so that you can see what this will look like. You can see that you can add any characters, any buildings, anything to be honest, and then it will draw that on the actual video, which is pretty cool. Like this is great for explainer videos, tutorial videos, and just like making it visual. So if you've got a story to tell, you don't want to be on camera, this could honestly be great, if not the best option for you. And yeah, that's what you can do. So you can add colors, you can add text, you can pretty much do anything on here. Now if you scroll above, you'll see that you can use this for YouTube, teaching, Facebook, sales videos, and all like pretty much all sorts of things, right? Especially anything that has to do with video. So yeah, that is pretty much the video samples on Doodly. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time.